Starting a business is an intimidating thing, and anything that reduces that intimidation and builds confidence is why I think people buy franchises and why franchising continues to grow and be successful. So it's important to us to maintain a good culture and keep our franchisees in communication with each other because they can help each other. We're here to share, all of our successes, mistakes, etc., so that you don't have to make those mistakes, and so you can have success based on what we've experimented with in the past and what's worked. But then franchisees have their own culture as well. So you have these peers within the network that you can call that are, literally doing the same thing that you are, perhaps facing the same challenges, multiple sounding boards. We drive peer-to-peer accountability in our franchise system, so everybody is accountable to each other. If you buy a Starks franchise, you want to know that the guy one town over is offering the same level of service as you, and as well, we're accountable to each other. So it keeps everybody aligned and on track. And I think that it's really important in this business because really in any business, there can be ebbs and flows. It could be a seasonality thing. It could be just, staffing ebbs and flows. And if you're consistent in your approach as an owner operator, if the franchisor is consistent in their approach as a support mechanism, then you're just always going to be successful because every business has those ebbs and flows, and the partnership, the commitment, the structure is what keeps you successful in the long term.